You today to these hallowed halls of learning as we embark on the next phase of our hero training. For days, we've been told of the transformational power of a community. Today, we assemble the finest teacher heroes our school has ever seen, and you will be tested like never before. As we begin our mission before us, you've been placed into superhero squadrons with fellow agents from all corners of our known universe. Each agent team being assigned a special code name to help guide you along your journey and adventures today. Using our proud tradition and our faith as a guide, our orders from mission control have never been more clear. Be a saint. We seek to educate all students in the life of Christ and to foster the pursuit of excellence in the whole person. But we know too well that it is impossible to accomplish a supernatural task with only natural abilities. And so today we work together to hone and sharpen your superhuman strength. For months, our elite squadron has been hard at work preparing these facilities, studying groundbreaking field research, mastering innovative technique, and developing powerful new technologies that turned off this morning to join our ranks. Today we proudly assemble with you, our fellow heroes, to build the vision, to help usher in an era of learning, innovation, perseverance, creativity, wonder, grit, and joy, unlike anything that the world has ever seen. We know that the stakes are staggering. Amid the shadow of incredible darkness and out of the ruin of scandal, doubt, and profound sadness, good people seek to restore the dignity of the human person through the power of a community, and now turn their eyes towards this changing face of Catholic educators. We have the incredible opportunity to become their heroes, to take courage from St. Michael the Archangel, to defend them in battle against the wickedness and snares of those evil forces who would prowl about the world seeking the ruin of souls. To follow the call of St. Francis of Assisi, who received the very word of the Almighty himself to rebuild God's church. To give his people hope in times of despair and faith in the face of adversity. Today, we proudly join them in honoring that sacred trust. Our mission is clear, and our resolve is steadfast, in spite of the enemy that surrounds us in the media and in the world at large. So as we begin today's training, we implore you to trust this process and trust one another, to laugh and have fun. We offer these words of hope that were first spoken by the late Captain Steve Rogers during the fateful Civil War. Feeling the pressures of standing up against insurmountable odds, a young Peter Parker once asked Captain America how he found the strength to be brave in the face of a seemingly impossible challenge. Today, we'd like you to begin your training and leave you with these profound words of encouragement of Captain America. It doesn't matter what the press says. It doesn't matter what the politicians or the mob say. It doesn't matter if the whole country decides that something wrong is something right. This nation was founded on one principle above all else: the requirement that we stand up for what we believe, no matter the odds or the consequences. When the mob and the press and the whole world tell you to move, your job is to plant yourself like a tree beside the river of truth and tell the whole world, no, you move. Avengers, assemble. Joining us, Captain Megan Lonergan Marvel.